Everyone wants to boost their immune system, especially after 70, when the body's natural defenses start to decline. You've heard about garlic, ginger, and oranges, right? But what if I told you there's an entire underground world of immunity superfoods that doctors and nutritionists swear by, but no one's talking about? In this video, we'll explore 10 rare and science-backed superfoods that can protect you from disease, reduce inflammation, and supercharge your vitality. These aren't trendy. They're powerful, proven, and practically hidden from the mainstream. Get ready to be surprised. One, Camu, the vitamin C titan. Native to the Amazon rainforest, Camu berries contain up to 60 times more vitamin C than oranges. But that's not all. They're also loaded with anthocyanins and flavonoids that reduce oxidative stress. Just a teaspoon of the powder in your smoothie can give your immune system a noticeable lift. 2. Soursop, graviola. The tropical infection fighter used in traditional medicine across South America and the Caribbean, soursop has strong antimicrobial properties and is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and acetogenins, a rare class of compounds believed to fight infections and possibly even cancer cells. It's a delicious and nutrient-dense addition to your health routine. 3. Black garlic, the supercharged antioxidant. Aged and fermented black garlic isn't just sweet and tangy. It's a bioavailable form of garlic that packs higher antioxidant power. It helps regulate immune function, lower inflammation, and improve cholesterol, making it a heart-friendly immunity booster. 4. Sea buckthorn berries, the omega-7. Immunity elixir grown in cold climates like Siberia and the Himalayas, these bright orange berries are packed with vitamin C, E, and omega-7 fatty acids. Sea buckthorn promotes skin health, strengthens mucosal immunity, and helps your body ward off respiratory infections. Perfect for flu season. 5. Fermented papaya, the gut defender. This isn't your typical papaya. Once fermented, papaya becomes a powerhouse of enzymes, antioxidants, and gut-friendly bacteria. Research has shown it enhances immune response in elderly populations and even reduces markers of inflammation in autoimmune diseases. 6. Indian gooseberry, Amla, the Ayurvedic immune tonic. Amla is revered in Indian medicine and has 20 times the vitamin C of an orange. Its polyphenols and flavonoids work synergistically to support immune cells, improve digestion, and detoxify the liver, a major player in immune health. 7. Moringa leaves, the multivitamin tree. Called the miracle tree, for a reason, moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. High in vitamin A, calcium, protein, and antioxidants, it supports everything from immune health to bone strength. Add the powder to soups or tea for daily nourishment. 8. Chaga mushroom, the birch tree. Secret chaga isn't a pretty mushroom, but it might be the most powerful one for immune support. Found growing on birch trees, chaga is loaded with beta-glucans, which stimulate white blood cells and help fight off infections, viruses, and even slow tumor growth in some studies. 9. Baobab fruit, the African superfruit. The baobab tree is known as the tree of life, and its fruit is rich in vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and prebiotic fiber. It promotes gut health, which in turn helps regulate 70% of your immune system. Bonus, it tastes great in smoothies and oatmeal. 10. Purslane, the omega-rich weed. Often dismissed as a weed, purslane is secretly one of the most nutrient-rich greens out there. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and glutathione, a master antioxidant. Purslane helps reduce inflammation, protect cell membranes, and promote immune resilience, all from your backyard. These 10 hidden gems could change the way you fuel your body and fight off illness naturally. Remember, true immunity starts in your daily choices, not just a pill or vaccine. Which of these foods have you tried, or are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't stop here. We've got another video waiting for you. 10 superfoods that shield you from seasonal illnesses, with even more immune-boosting secrets. Click the link and keep investing in your health because it's never too late to feel better, stronger, and younger.